What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cooking and Blazin again. I appreciate you guys for stopping by and saying hi. But you start by preheating your oven to about 400 degrees. Then you're going to take an onion and chop it up into decent sized pieces, just like that. You're going to move it on down into a greased up pan or cooking dish, whatever. And we're gonna start layering it. We're gonna put the onions on the bottom, and we're gonna take them potatoes we just sliced up and put them on top, just like that. Hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. And we're gonna take 3 chicken breasts, and we're gonna slice them all down the middle like that, and 2 more times on both sides. Then we're gonna dice into bite-sized portions because they will cook more evenly in the oven. We're going to take some black pepper and some salt so we can season some of that chicken up. We're going to get our hands a little dirty. Everybody likes dirty hands. Dirty, nasty hands. We're going to take some oil and put that on the potatoes and the onions with some pepper and some salt. Lots of seasoning going on here. We're gonna take that diced up chicken, we're gonna put that on top, the potatoes and onions. I almost said onion, like this dude on YouTube. This other chef. We're gonna take 2 eggs and a little bit more than a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna go ahead and get that a stir. We're gonna take half a teaspoon of parsley, basil, chili powder, curry powder, some salt and some pepper. We're gonna mix that all in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put that over top of the chicken. And holy fuck, we're upside down. Yeah, and just like that, we're taking it right back out. So fast. But yeah, you're gonna put that in there for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. And then when the 40 minutes is up, you're gonna take it out and you're gonna put cheese and some freshly cut tomatoes, and just line it up just like this. It smells amazing. It smells so good in the house. And then you're just going to layer a little bit more cheese on top of it. You're going to stick it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. So you can see here. I'm going to get that right back in now. 10 minutes later, this is what you get. It doesn't look the best, but it tastes amazing. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and saying hi. And we're going to taste it. And we give the thumbs up of approval. Thanks again, guys. I'll catch you later.